Just started working with Oracle Fusion and wondering, how do I actually run SQL queries? Or maybe you're tired of the long, complicated process just to extract some data? Stay with me. I'll show you both the standard way and a much faster way. So first, who really needs to write SQL in Oracle Fusion? If you're working on BI report development, ad hoc data extraction requests, bug analysis for support teams, outbound integrations, data extraction to other platforms, migration reconciliation, then SQL is absolutely essential. Let's look at how you typically develop and run SQL in Oracle Fusion. Oracle allows you to create a BI data model with embedded SQL and then generate a report from it. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. Log in to Oracle Fusion. Step 2. Navigate to Reports and Analytics. Step 3. Open the catalog and browse to your folder. Step 4. Create a new data model. Step 5. Enter your SQL query. Step 6. Click View Data. But notice, you can only see 200 records at a time. Step 7. Save the data model. Step 8. Create a report layout. Step 9. Drag and drop columns into the layout. Step 10. Save and run the report. As you can see, it works, but it's quite a long process just to test and run a query. If you're doing this multiple times a day, it quickly becomes frustrating and time-consuming. So is there a better way? Now, let's look at a much simpler way, using CloudSQL Desktop. With CloudSQL, running SQL becomes a quick 4-step process. Step 1. Connect. Use your Oracle Fusion credentials to create a connection. Step 2. Enter your SQL. Use a rich, modern SQL editor designed for productivity. Step 3. Run your SQL. Execute with a single click and analyze the data in a powerful editor. Step 4. Export. Easily export your data to Excel or CSV files. No data models, no report layouts, no unnecessary steps. Just connect, write, run, and analyze. This single-click execution can save hours every week for developers and support teams and makes working with Oracle Fusion data much more efficient. If you want to simplify your SQL workflow, register for a free trial of CloudSQL Desktop today and start running your SQLs the easy way. Download now.